Hey Curly Teas, today we're making a conditioning cream with my favorite emulsifier and with the help of 3 awesome extracts which are said to help strengthen the hair. Bamboo extract is said to help add strength and thickness to the hair over time. Olive leaf extract is said to help with smoothing and adding shine to the hair. Ashwagandha is said to help strengthen the roots of the hair and contribute to healthy hair over time. If you don't have betaine, use 5 grams of your favorite humectant instead. Heat this for 3 to 5 minutes to dissolve the gluconolactone SB. We're raising the temperature to make sure the preservative is well dissolved. Now the final product is creamy with a very, very nice consistency. Let it sit overnight to fully thicken and for the extracts to be absorbed. Enjoy your mix, and don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.